Yes, they're over here. Okay, pick them. Go get another. I have that big pan on my drain board. All the way to the end, to the right. Like get into there. The big ones, you'll see the big ones. And you'll see them bigger even. Those are yellow hots. Harvesting my vegetables.
Yeah, dude. All these? Let's see what. Hold on. Those are tomatoes. Are those tomatoes or onions?
These are all tomatoes right there.
Yeah,
they're not.
Might be still not done yet. Well, they're not red. Yeah, where's your
Which?
the thing that goes in the ground?
There, it's there. Oh, he's picking the green, but that's okay.
Hey. Yeah, these are overdue. They say too. Large red cherry.
When will the?
You said you did these in the beginning of May.
May.
Yeah, these. That's true. Yeah, these are done.
Oh, I see that one red one.
Look at there's a red one right there.
There's a yellow one too.
Yeah, there's like.
Yeah. Well, the. Oh, then pull them. That's just as big as they're gonna get. I've been pulling the squash when they get big enough already, but it's all the chilies that are like the size of jalapenos. Get it. I think those are serrano peppers, and I think that's as big as they get. Yeah, they're just really hot. Oh, that's chili picky. Oh yeah, those are chili pickies. They're red. That's okay. Just throw it in there. Take a bite. And oh, look at that big chili right there. That needs to get picked. Oh yeah, pick it. Oh yeah, pick them. Is it hot?
But it's not. I don't think it tastes like.
It's done yet? I bet that red one is. Well, the red ones, you're supposed to dry them.
Look at that one. Bite it. Like, just take a little bite off.
Holy! That's hot.
Oh, you bit that one?
Mm-hmm.
You bite it. I'll bite it.
Oh, that's hot!
You got all the peppers.
Oh!
You got a finished one. Oh, that was
That's hot.
Oh, that's what that was. Yep.
What are these?
These are
Purple. Bell peppers.
These squashes are done and some of them aren't. Like,
Yeah.
look, these ones are dying.
Yeah.
Do you think this one's done? Oh god. What is that?
They're purple bell pepper.
Spicy.
Does it?
Yeah, you're dying.